There was shit to grab in the back.
I promise I didn't touch anything. I'm going to clip it. Sorry for going OOC for a second.
Yeah, that's unfortunate.
I don't know, I'm confused as fuck. I'm just here for no fun.
No, last time it was all bots driving, right? And they all jumped out of the vehicle. We had to kill them. They had a shitload of health. It was like 10 cops versus 30 of us, right? And when we searched the back of the armored vehicle, there was like diamonds and shit in there, like. But there is nothing. This is way different than last time. I don't know what the fuck is going on.
There's no trunk or anything?
This cop is here. There's no EMS. There's no police. Somebody just fired around. It wasn't us. I don't know. I say we get the fuck out of here.
I mean, what the hell? How did we get paid?
Yeah, this is all kind of for nothing.
I mean, it was a little entertaining, don't get me wrong.
Quite a special item.
Did we take the security guard with us to the hospital?
Does anybody have a bank card or anything? Group 6 bank card? I do too at my house. Fuck. Yo, somebody.
No, I got a warning for Robin. Okay. They don't nothing to take. I'll take you.
Try something. I have a bank card for the truck.
Where are you at? You took the truck to your house? I'm gonna come meet you.
Come get me.
At least we got the truck and nobody knows we're here.
So
Ivan, just leave them. Leave them at Pillbox.
Are you there?
Yeah, we're on the truck right now.
I think he has it now.
Alright, you're driving to Richards.
Yo, what is this?
What is what? You do it?
It sounds like
it's
he's
letting me-
doing it.
It's letting me
Because that
unlock
could
it
totally
with-
be
with
worth
my
every
bank card,
penny
or with
for
the
that
bank
bank
card.
card if it
Oh
works.
shit.
How the fuck do you get one of those?
You just get
I
them from
actually-
robbing
yeah.
a store, grave robbing, or
Yeah, you
there's a
gotta
bunch of
follow
ways you can get them. You can find them in the trash.
I've done all that.
Yeah, you
I
just
can't
drove
find
by
shit.
us. Yeah,
Yep, I just realized.
he's getting in the trunk right now. The Group 6 card work.
I'm not gonna lie, y'all seem chill as fuck. I like this
Oh
man's
shit!
mullet.
Pull it.
Oh, what the fuck?
I, Jimmy Wong, flattened all of their tires.
Oh, there is a trunk.
Let's fucking go.
God damn.
That was crazy.
Yes, I'm actually,
Oh, that was
Yeah.
probably gun out.
In there,
The
bro.
cops are probably gonna show up.
Fuck. Okay.
Grab the shit quick.
I'm working on it. Here they come.
Well, what's the plan here, boys? Are we sticking together
Who
or
the
what?
fuck is shooting?
I'm
Get
running
out.
away.
Shoot me your contact. Shoot me your contact. So we can split shit after we figure this out.
Name's Bobby Light. Name's Ivan.
Yes.
Did you guys loot everything from the truck?
All it gave me was a bunch of marked bills.
What happened?
Interesting. Okay.
Oh, we gotta get out of here. The police
check
are right
the
here.
alert or the chat.
They're
we
coming,
start
bro.
blasting?
I'm sure.
They're
Did you
here.
get
Can we
everything
start
from the
blasting?
truck?
Yeah, it was just marked bills. Let me see how many.
Boys, the cops are sitting right out here. We should probably
Okay,
get out of
just
here.
keep everything on you.
Oh,
Let's
shit.
get the fuck out of here.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we got
the cops-
I'm
here.
dipping.
The
I'm
cops.
dipping.
There's a thing with the cop. We should
I'm
go
dipping
right
to the
out of here.
highway over
Yeah,
here.
let's get the fuck out of here. I'm actually gonna go through my yard.
Go.
I'm driving to the highway. If you're jumping down there, and I can come pick you up.
I stole a Civ car. I stole a Civ car. I stole a Civ car. I'm just driving.
So wait, how many unmarked bills did you get? You have like dude/cash. Exactly how much from the that you paid for? That was all. Which one did you use?
One of those cards, this is the only way that you can get it is by robbing this truck, so that's a good thing. Those cards are used for robbing the security heist place, and you get well, you have the chance of getting 2 guns. Yeah, I'm just driving, bro.
Can you try? I was gonna say, can you try using another one of those cards on the thing? But I guess not.
I'm gonna try shooting. Let me know if they drive away.
Can you jump down the back on the highway? Yep, I'll be there in a second. Don't jump down yet. Let me get there first so that they can't start getting ready to get you, if that makes sense.
Let me know if they start driving away. I just dumped 2 mags.
I'm half a mile away, so you can start working your way down. Yes. We should probably go to a mansion and switch cars. Or we should just go hang out.
I
in the
think
mansion.
if you dump everything in your stash and you come outside, they can't do anything. I don't know.
At this point, he just has cash.
Hopefully they went to the 2